Hey, I am your host. Welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the System Shock 2 error code 0xb7. The error reads failed to register window. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when players try to play the game on Xbox Series X or Series S. Some players have reported that the game works fine on Xbox One S and Xbox One X, but not on Series S. According to our research, the error may occur because of a game bug, outdated game version, or outdated Xbox firmware. To deal with this error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your Xbox console and try again. Once done, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then check if you need to update the game. If there is any update available, install it and check for the error again. If the error still persists, then check if your Xbox firmware needs an update. If so, update it and see if the error still comes. At last, if nothing helps, then the error may be caused by a game bug. In this case, wait for the next patch to release or report the issue to the game support. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.